the bar to bring the company which can give a digital library platform, and at least lawyers can be known, at least lawyer can understand about what are the best products available in the market and they can choose among them. So that is a very good initiative by the bar. We are here to discuss about Law Finder. Law Finder is a digital library platform where you get all the journals of India which have been published from years. So if you say about the database which start from 1836 onwards, there are 250 journals of India which have been covered here and regularly updated. You can understand even a single journal how much trouble you can have to get that journal. Suppose if you want to go for AIR from 1914 onwards, right? So getting and having and storing AIR is a very difficult and costly task. So similarly, we have stored all the journals available here. President sir has already discussed about some part of the database. I'll enrich more about it. You get all cases from Supreme Court, that is from very inception, is from 1950 onwards to till date. You get all other High Court judgments from again their inception, like Bombay, Calcutta, it is from 1862 onwards. So likewise, whichever inception of the High Court is about, you get it from there. You get all the tribunals and commission, which is again very, a place where a lot of lawyers are litigating on a daily basis. So that is again a very additional part which our companies are charging additional for that, this kind of database, which we are including in the similar package. So at the same time, you will be getting Privy Council, you're going to get the international cases. So these cases are from US Supreme Court, UK Supreme Court and various other important courts which are being considered international courts in India, and especially when you talk about international cases, you get those cases which are being cited in India. So they become more relevant for you to place them in any of the court. In the similar package, you get all the BEAR Acts which are covered. There are 20,000 plus BEAR Acts. So if from any state you get those BEAR Acts, you get Central BEAR Acts, you get Law Commission reports and various articles written by well-known senior counsels, judges on different topics on a regular basis. Plus all the legal media reports which are coming on a day-to-day basis. Here, something which you can see on my left is about Overrule Alert. This is a technology which I want to educate about, which we have discovered recently and we have launched in January, and this is being launched by Honorable Supreme Court Judge Mr. Suryakant. This technology is about covering all the overruled law till date. So there are millions of cases which are being reported and which are available in public domain. It is very difficult for lawyers to find out their current status, which is where we have worked on this technology, and you can figure out whether those cases are being overruled, whether those cases are being relied or being followed, which is again is a very useful tool, and it is going to actually impact legal industry in a larger manner. So that is one of the additional thing which you get it in this package. Plus all regular updates. This database gets updated on a daily basis. So something which you are reading in newspaper, which is in the form of news and where you cannot figure out the law points. So in that case, you have to read the entire judgment, and if it is very important, you need to read on the same day or next day. This is where we are giving on immediate basis, and within 2 days, 3 days, you get with head notes. So you save a lot of time. Nobody can put 20 page time behind reading 20 pages, right? And since your profession is full of engagement, from starting from morning to night, I believe lawyers are the more that is a profession where people are very busy. So I'm sure this is actually the technology used by us is going to save a lot of time of all the lawyers who avail this technology, and could be a very useful tool for entire legal industry. So we will be having now the demonstration about the product. How actually it looks like, how you are going to access it, and what could be the features which are involved into it. So since as it is an online product, you are required to go on our website, which is www.lawfinderlive.com. This is a very simple. You can just simply type Law Finder on Google, and you can also reach on this website. Once you reach on the website, there are different options, starting from the main search to citation search, statute search, which comprises all your needs and requirements. So let's go on main search. Yeah. So as you can see on main search, there are again multiple options available. Suppose any lawyer who is interested to look for a particular court, precisely whenever you are going to look for case laws, you start filtering from Supreme Court to Telangana High Court and then looking to the other court if the laws are not available in first two court. So suppose you want to find anything in Supreme Court, right? So you just simply select Supreme Court of India. Then suppose there is a topic which is available. Here we are again unique from the other players. Here we have given you two search options. One is one is order search, and the other option is head note search. So what is the difference between two and how it could be useful? See, in the order search, you are going to search within the entire judgment. These all search engines are based on the Google technology. So whatever you search on Google, whatever are the most relevant things, they come on the top, right? So that is how you save your time. Similarly, if you get the results what you're looking for within the head note, that actually is very much of use and it is going to save a lot of time. We'll just have one example. Suppose we look for suit of partition, right? So if we search the same query in order search, let's see how many results we get. If you can see, there are 1807 results which are available. Now similar query, if we search within the head note, so you will be seeing that it will reduce almost 10 times the result. So now you see there are just 328 judgment out of 1807 judgment. So this is where if you open the case, if you see, just show the head note, Nagesh. If you see, the entire query what you were looking for has come within the head note part itself. So whenever you look the judgment, there will be the head note available, and you will be able to see within that portion whether that is relevant or not, and then you can move to the next judgment. This judgment includes, like, as the other thing which is important is you must have all the citations available to you, right? You can get citations from any of the court and any of the journal, so that is where it will be difficult to find it out. Here what we have done, we have given all the citations. There are 5 million plus citations. So any journal which has been published in Kerala, Karnataka, Jammu Kashmir, any part of India, that citation you can find it out. So again, you get all your database at one day. Yeah, so suppose we move to the other option, then there will be case-wise search. You can have decision-wise search available. Then these are like two common search which will be there everywhere. You can search based on the name of petitioner and respondent. Let's see one of the results and what could be further we can explain. So we see this Amrish Kumar versus State of Bihar. Now in this judgment, on the top if you see, there are all stars available, right? So definitely this must be new for the one who have not seen the demo or not used in till now, the Law Finder. So now the star reflects that this judgment current DNA. That means this judgment has been cited more than 2000 times. 2040 case, if you click on any of the star, you will be taken to the page where you can see all 2040 cases. So again, this makes your search and research much relevant. Whenever you're looking for any of the topic, you have the similar relevant judgment available on that. If you see, there are flags available. This flag is about what I discussed on the last part, is about overruled alert. Now if you see the flag, these are in orange color, right? it could be on red color also. So if it is on red color, that means it is being overruled. If it is on orange color, that means it is being distinguished. If it is in green color, that means it is followed. Right? So now this judgment, if you see the flags are in orange, and this shows that this case might be distinguished. If you click on this, it will take it to the judgment where it has been distinguished. Similarly, it will take for the overruled case also and followed case also. So you are directly able to reach out to the place, because sometimes if the other council brings the overruled case in front of you and you can identify it, so you can bring a new case which has overruled and you can take to the court and explain them that this is the judgment which is presented in, before the court is actually a overruled case. So where that is a very substantial part in lawyer's life. Now you see, whenever you are moving down, so now this is the judgment and it has highlighted the part where it has overruled. This purple area, if you can read, you can see that the judgment does not lay down absolute rule, right? And this is where the part the court has discussed it and overruled it. Similarly, if you go to the other case, you have all options available where you can easily take the print PDF of the copy of it and present in the court. Just go down. See, now on the top. Now whenever if you read any of the head notes, you are able to see various acts available on it. Right? So now you want to read what is 498A. Just place the cursor there. And you will be able to read the entire act there itself. So you don't have to go to the other section and again read the act. Just so now you see, sir, in this is again a very unique thing. We have already applied for the patent for this technology, but you know how difficult it is to get a patent for any of the technology. We have to show it all together and different. But as of now, what we believe it is a different thing what we are putting in here. Now, whenever in any journal, any online software, if you see any case, you will be seeing record cases below that, right? Any of the current software will only show with one single color. And I believe they must be having on hyperlink also available, but not different color. Now how it is going to be very useful and going to save your time. Suppose you see here there are 3-4 colors, right? So first of all, if you see it is in orange color, then it is in green color, blue color and red color. Now suppose I open a case law, if I see the red cases below, that means those cases are old. So I must not look into it. So my time is saved. At the same time, if the green cases I am seeing, that means I can understand those cases are completely followed. So I can read them. Orange cases are in a distinguished status, so I can decide whether to read it. And blue is simply that they are not being discussed till now in any court. They are just being referred. They are not having any of the otherwise status available. So this something is very new, and the presentation of judgment helps you to save a lot of time while doing your research. At the same time, I believe every lawyer studies various case laws. I remember from my college days too that various cases are being studied on each and every topic what we read. And we remember most of the cases while practicing. And once the people get into specialized practice, so they remember a lot of cases. Right? So you remember the cases, you know that this case, if I search in Law Finder and I see it, I can see the otherwise cases in red color. Right? Suppose Mehta Rani judgment is about privacy and all, everything, Article 19, 21, everything is being discussed in that Passport Act. So if you want to see otherwise case, if you open that judgment, you will be able to see whatever red cases are there in that. So you can just see all those overruled cases with that kind of research. So my point is that you can have the different kind of research with this tool, which is actually going to be a very useful one. Go back to the main search. Now here again one more thing which is there is about advocate search, which you don't again find it in most of the software. Now this advocate search actually help you to read good judgments from renowned advocates who have actually practiced. I mean, I'm sure everybody follows some of the seniors for their every senior is also sometimes junior in the past, right? So they follow multiple people, right? So you can always read those, put their name and read their cases. All cases will be available while putting their name. We have also put an option for people who don't understand English. They can change the language as well. Now, second search is about citation search. I'm sure everybody is aware about. So I will not get too much into detail. You just choose the citation and find it out. Then we have a statute search. So in this statute search, we have one more thing which we have added. So I will just like to tell that. Yes, statute search. Yeah. So suppose I want to search Indian Penal Code 376. So I will get all the judgment with that code. But if you see the below part, you will be able to see that on every section we have given you the number of cases which are there. So you just put an act name and you will be able to see all the sections, and based on that how many sections are there and how many cases referred till now decided on a particular section is very much available. Then just open Supreme Court tracker. Now I would like to show you about the reporting of case laws. As I said, we are one of the fastest reporters. We keep on reporting new cases on a daily basis, and we keep on reaching out with the head notes part on as soon as possible. So now you see, most of the cases we have covered with the head notes. Just open this. Yeah. So as when the cases are decided, those cases are very much updated with the head notes. Now I'll show one more important thing. Now, I'm sure seniors know about it, and juniors can understand from their seniors what I'm trying to tell. Whenever you take any judgment in front of lawyer, even though that judgment does not have a head note, even if it is of 20 page, 30 page, I'm sure that lawyer can figure out important thing within 5 minutes or even lesser than that, most of them. Because they look for the crucial sentence. They know all the kind of combinations which are available there. So this is where what we have done, especially for the new and learning lawyers, that we have highlighted the important part in the text. So wherever, in my opinion, we hereby, or whatever important points are there, all will be highlighted. So again, even though if you don't rely only on the head notes, you can check out on judgment, the important parts are all being highlighted. So that again will save a lot of time. So now, if you want to search Bayer Acts, so we have a section here, and you can go on Bayer Acts, and you can figure out all the acts are available. Central acts are separate, then there are state acts. Similarly, we have law commission report in that section, articles in the section. So precisely, the entire library platform is very much available here. Simply you can rely on it, and you can have total fees that you are having 99.9% things available with you. So again, I would like to thank everyone for giving Law Finder this opportunity. And if you have any question, please let us know. Already the High Court has informed about the offer, which is going to be very economical in terms of purchasing Law Finder if we get those numbers. So thank you very much. I would like Honorable Secretary to come here and Vice President sir, please, Secretary sir, to come here and address on our some feedback on this presentation.
డెమోన్స్ట్రేషన్ మీకు అర్థమైనందుకు